Hi everyone, Amanda Saladin here from Love Life Yarn, and today we're going to learn how to crochet the offset V-stitch. Super simple foundation row, and then it's just a one row repeat. I use my K hook with the Lion brand Feels Like Butter, one of my favorites. Find more than 100 free patterns on lovelifeyarn.com. Let's get started. Alright, so to start this, we're going to start with our slip knot. And then to work this stitch, you'll need a multiple of 3 stitches plus 4. So however wide you want your piece to be in multiples of 3. And then you add 4 more, which it counts as a double crochet and a chain 1 in our first row. Okay, so here I have my chain, and we're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work a double crochet right into this chain. I like to work into the back of my chain. And then we're going to skip 2 chains, and we're going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet in the next chain. So work into every 3rd chain. Okay, you're going to skip 2 and repeat this. So now let's try it again. Skip the next 2. I can show you here, 1, 2, and now work into this. However you work into your starting chain. Okay, and again, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And you just repeat that. Skip 2 chains and work the V stitch, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, into the next chain. Repeat down to the last 3 chains. Okay, when you get down here to the last 3, you're just going to work a double crochet into the last. And now turn. Okay, now we're ready to work row 2. So you're going to chain 4, and this will count again as a double crochet and a chain 1. And now we're going to double crochet into the same double crochet right here we started with. Okay, the one that we ended the last row with. So go ahead and double crochet in there. And then you're going to work a V-stitch into the second double crochet of the next V-stitch. So you skip the double crochet in the chain 1, work right in here, and you work a V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then repeat. Find the second double crochet of your next V and work another V-stitch in. And repeat this to the end. Okay, now when we get down to the end, you're going to skip the double crochet and the first chain and work into the next chain. That way it'll make it appear to be another V-stitch with our turning chain. Okay, and for the rest of the time, you just repeat row 2, where you chain 4, and then work a double crochet in that first double crochet, and then work the V-stitches in the second double crochet all the way across, and then work into the turning chain. And that's it, super easy. Hope you've enjoyed.